Good afternoon, Thomas fans. Today we'll be counting down the top 5 ways to get rid of hiccups. Let's do it! If you got the hiccups, why not shake 'em out? Gordon, can you get rid of my hiccups? Sure.
Coldy rip.
Wow, thanks. And if you can't shake 'em out, try burping them out. Gordon, I need some assistance with my hiccups, please. Ugh, just try burping them out. Well, okay. But do you have some soda? Right here. Go, 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 go. I think it worked. See, that was easy. And if you don't agree with those two, just hold your breath. Gordon, I need to do something about these hiccups. Try holding your breath in for 30 seconds. Okay, you can relax now. Wow, you're really good at getting rid of hiccups, Gordon. If hiccups are really annoying you, someone could assist you by scaring them out. Gordon, my hiccups are really annoying me.
Time to send your ass back to Sesame Street. It's morphin' time! Dragonzord! Tyrannosaurus! Mastodon! Triceratops! Yo, who the fuck is that?
Me, fuck off! Alright, there's no fucking Asians in this video.
Yo, what the fuck? Slide! Nice try! Hey, Cookie Face! Tell Rita I say hi! Alright, Power Rangers unite! The fucking crystal love! Yeah! Bring it! Alright! Wow, he really wants his cookies, huh? Right! Heads up! All right! Oh, fuck! Sword!
I cannot hear you, Power Rangers! It's your turn! You're on your own, Power Rangers!
Just kidding. Gordon, that's not funny. You scared me to death.
Coldy rip off.
Hey, I think you scared the hiccups out of me. And now, if any of those 4 don't succeed, the #1 way to get rid of hiccups is to look for a gallon of water. And drink it up, of course. Gordon, little help, please. There's a gallon of water in my truck. Ooh, thank you. Go, 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 go. Ah, that was nice. Hey, my hiccups are gone. Thanks for the water, Gordon. Yeah, except I was taking that to the steamworks.
Coldy rip off. Boo.
And don't come back!
Oh, sorry. Well, that's all for now, folks. Tune in next time for some more top 5 ways. Wow, I guess I really am good at getting rid of... Aw, crud.
Coldy rip off.